Hello everyone, my name is Qing Wei Sun. Today I'm going to introduce the company that I start with my friend. It's called Your Own Tutor. Your Own Tutor is a startup company focused on providing undergraduate tutoring sources. We serve purpose for helping students outsourcing the qualified tutor 24 hours no matter where they're located in Arizona. So the reason why I started this company is a lot of my friends and also me as a student at ASU, when we went to tutoring center for thinking for the asking the question, it always took us a lot of time to wait for tutor to be available and answering our questions. And so this wastes a lot of time and it's not efficient. So we're thinking, why we not find a tutor outside of campus? So this is how it works. Firstly, we're going to send out a recruitment post on a recruiting platform like LinkedIn and Handshake. After recruiting process, our qualified tutor will be posted on our website. We mainly serve international undergrad student in Arizona. So on our website, once if student gonna send the requirements to us, and we're gonna match and sourcing the tutor, looking the tutor for them. So according to their requirements. So there's like you can do one-on-one tutor, and you can go. There's a in-class tutor. One to many, so even tutor can visit your apartment to teach. And for this, compared with the tutoring center on campus, although our price is a little bit higher, but it's satisfied with the student, and it's very convenient for a student, and especially when the finals came in, and there, on campus, there's only have like a big session review. It doesn't have a tutor one-on-one review. So for at the Your Own Tutor, we provide those service for tutors for students. And in the business model, I've mentioned before, it's like how we our goal, or how we organize, and how we make this happen. So as you can see the flow chart, and I just want to focus on here. We charge students $20 per hour. So our profit will be $1 serving fee plus 15 commission fee. That's how the remaining part is what tutor actually earn. So the 50 commission is what we earn. So in the next steps, in the future, we will expand our business local, even entire North America, as population of international growing each year. So we also want to launch the app on the mobile phone, so student can download it on the phone. They can create an account, and they can order or find the tutor through their mobile phone whenever they need it. So I'll break down the timeline. So in the 6 months, we'll make the app. We'll do the R&D, and make sure we have the app came out. And after that, the next 8 months, we're gonna expand the biz to the entire North America once we have the app. So here's our team. Me, Sun Qing Wei. I'm a mechanical engineer student at ASU, and my other teammate, Ting Jin Wang, he studied economic major in ASU too. And there's another teammate, Yufeng Yan. He already graduated from ASU's. He studied supply chain, and he had a startup experience with Jiso, it's a food delivery company, and now he's working in the Silicon Valley Bank. I think from all of us, we will have a different perspective, so we can create this company because we see things differently. I hopefully we can make it this come true, help more students for solving their problem where they need it.